To recover a permanently deleted Gmail account. Hello Gmail users. You accidentally deleted your Gmail account and now you're worried about losing access to your emails and important data? Don't panic. There is a chance you can recover your permanently deleted Gmail account. Let's explore how to do it step by step. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the Google Account Recovery page at accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. On the Group Account Recovery page, enter the email address of the permanently deleted Gmail account that you want to recover. After entering the email address, click on the Next button to proceed to the account recovery process. Google may ask you to enter the last password you remember for the deleted account, so enter the last password you can recall and click on Next. If you don't remember the last password or if it's not working, Google will offer alternative account recovery options. Choose the option that works for you, such as receiving a verification code via phone or email. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using the selected account recovery option. This may involve entering a verification code to send to your phone or email, answering security questions, or providing other proof of identity. After successfully verifying your identity, Google will ask you to submit a recovery request for the deleted Gmail account. Provide any additional information requested and submit the request. Now you have to wait for Google's response. Fingers crossed, you've successfully submitted a recovery request for your permanently deleted Gmail account. Now it's time to wait for Google's response, so remember to check your email regularly for updates and follow any instructions provided by Google. Best of luck with the recovery process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.